Shrimp and mushroom omelet. Pan fry butter and garlic. Put in salted shrimp. Mix and fry. Cover and cook for a while. Add in mushrooms. Cover and cook for a while. Add in 4 stirred eggs. Cover and cook. Flip the omelet using cover. Continue cooking the other side for a while. The omelet is ready to serve. Serve onto a plate. Add some parsley on top. Shrimp and mushroom omelet. Nice looking omelet. But because the salted shrimp is too salty, the omelet becomes too salty. This can be easily adjusted. Ingredients: 4 eggs, salted shrimps, mushrooms.
Yummy!